Van life has exploded in popularity over the last few years. Millions of people dreaming about quitting the rat race, hitting the open road, and living on their own terms. But here is the problem. Most camper vans are built by companies you have never heard of. Brands with questionable reliability, expensive repairs, breaking down in the middle of nowhere. That ends now. Because Toyota just entered the game. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome Camper van is here, and it brings something van life desperately needed: Toyota reliability. Finally, let me start with why this matters. Toyota has spent decades building a reputation. The Camry that refuses to die. The Tacoma that goes 300,000 miles. The Land Cruiser that survives decades in the harshest conditions. When you buy a Toyota, you are not gambling. You are investing in a vehicle that will start every single morning and keep running long after competitors quit. Now imagine that legendary reliability in a camper van. That is the game changer. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome is built on Toyota's proven platform. Under the hood sits a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is not some untested experimental setup. This is Toyota engineering with millions of miles of real-world data backing it. Mountain passes, no problem. Coastal roads, handled. Highway miles across the country. This thing was built for it. And when you are living in your vehicle full-time, reliability is not a luxury. It is a necessity. Step inside, and you realize Toyota did not just slap a bed in the back and call it a camper. They designed a real living space. The seating area transforms seamlessly into a plush sleeping area. The kitchenette includes a stove, refrigerator, and sink so you can actually cook real meals, not just survive on gas station snacks. And here's the kicker: a real bathroom, compact shower and toilet. Most van life builds skip this because it is complicated. Toyota included it because they understand real-world use. You can camp remotely without sacrificing basic comfort. Those oversized panoramic windows are not just for looks. They flood the cabin with natural light, turning the interior into a bright, livable space instead of a dark cave. Wake up to a sunrise over a lake. Open the windows to a mountain view. This is what van life is supposed to feel like. Technology is not forgotten either. A large central touchscreen handles navigation, entertainment, and smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bluetooth keeps you connected. The audio system is crisp, and safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning act as your co-pilot on long drives. Toyota built this for modern travelers who need connectivity and safety without giving up adventure. Customization options let you make it yours. Roof racks for surfboards, kayaks, or bikes. Bold exterior colors that stand out at every campsite. This is not cookie cutter. This is your canvas. And the price. Starting at $60,000. That is less than most high-end campervan conversions that used Sprinters or Transits with zero reliability track record. You are getting Toyota quality, proven engineering, and a vehicle that will still be running strong when those fancy conversions are sitting in repair shops. Here is the real value. Van life is not just about the vehicle. It is about freedom. Waking up wherever you want. Chasing adventures. Living on your terms, but none of that matters if your van breaks down and leaves you stranded. Toyota reliability means you can focus on the adventure, not worry about the mechanics. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome Camper Van is not just transportation. It is freedom backed by the most reliable brand in automotive history.